How to add border to video in CapCut. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a border to a video in CapCut. Whether you want a simple border for aesthetic purposes or to make your video stand out, I've got you covered, so let's get started. First, open the CapCut app on your phone, and once you're in, simply tap on New Project to start a fresh video or simply select the existing project. Now, once you've done that, simply tap on Overlay and simply click on Add Overlay. From there, simply go to Photos and choose here whether white or black border for your video. Once you've add a photo, simply scroll until you find an option that says Transform. Now simply tap on Transform and click on Resize. Here you can choose to resize your overlay according to your video or photo, which might be 9:16, or if it is rectangle, or then it is 1.1 or 116.9. Choose the size of your video. Once you've done that, simply go back and scroll until you find an option that says Mask. From here, choose rectangle, or you can choose other options as well, however your border you prefer to have. After you've done that, simply tap on Invert. Once you've tapped on Invert, you can see the border. Now to adjust the border, simply increase the inner shape and resize it however you prefer. And that's it. That's how you can simply add a border to video in CapCut.